Beautiful. Okay, well, let's do a good morning again. So now the sound is here. Hey, was just talking about the market here, uh, quickly as to what's going on with the market. Um, no cute analysis here on the market other than what I said in my note yesterday. That market is bullish. It's gapping up today. It's gapping up almost 1%, and will continue to look higher. Now I can see market to sell off at the open, and just right around this area, and then maybe a power trend higher. And what I was covering here in back in August, I wrote a newsletter. Those of you in the swing newsletter, which is now up almost 100% this year. Since we bottomed here, we've had 18. We had correction in the market in 2018. We rallied, and this is what I call a natural reaction. This is a natural reaction. This is a natural reaction. And what happened here is we were basing here nicely before we start the move higher. So we didn't need this. This is a natural reaction. So, those of you who really like to see a methodical approach in the market, you think about this. This is right here. That's your bottom. This is a bull market, a bottom right here. So that we did run a bear market here in 2018. Then we rallied here. This is a natural reaction right here. That's a natural reaction. So if you're looking to how to play the bear market, this is a volatility contraction right here. So you can buy here. Your first buy could be right here. It's tough to buy anywhere here. That's if anybody wants to say that they picked the bottom, that's fine. But the real buying is right here, or I was buying pretty aggressively here, and then it moved up, and then we stopped buying in January, February when my risk monitor turned red. But this is a COVID news. This is all but COVID news. So natural reaction, tennis ball reaction. That's just going back, and that's your tennis ball reaction. And then the first real opportunity to buy it was right up here. That's number one here, and then number two here. And then after that, it's just continue to move higher. And now we're in the same spot here that we were based here nicely for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So think about, in the last 4 months, we haven't gone anywhere. Yes, everybody's saying the market is bullish, 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 but you've got a nice rest here right at the very top, and now we're moving higher. So let's see what happens here in the market as we continue to move higher. SPY is the same. SPY is the same thing. Not new highs, but pretty close. IWM, new highs again on IWM. So those all look very bullish. All markets are looking extremely bullish here, and I wouldn't play anything else. However, I am a little bit cautious with the market as far as putting in new positions, but nonetheless, it definitely is a bull market. So I don't have much unless you guys have something. Put it up, and I'm happy to look at it. Let's take a look at what's gapping down, since we don't have that many gap downs. Fubu, after 2 days down, it's hard to borrow, but it is a nice gap here. It's gapping down to 40.82. 40.82 takes you right into this area. The breaks the 40, then you have room all the way down to 31.40. So got a pretty nice room. So if, I'm gonna look at it if um, it wasn't available when I was looking at it. Baba, another continuation. We sold off, we rallied, we shorted this on what's it, Thursday. We shorted it on Thursday. It was a nice gap. We shorted a nice gap for $8 move. It rallied, and then it sold. It rallied, sell set up, and today is gapping below. So I do like this. I do like this Baba higher, Baba lower. So Baba is getting a chart again from me this morning. ZM is gapping down to this was a bear market that started in ZM. You can see it's kind of what we talked about, Tesla. Those of you in the general chat room, you've got the first base here, second base, third base, and then fourth base, and then it's starting to really got going here. But what you notice here, it never really took out the base. And if I put a 50 period moving MA here, it's gonna hold a 50 period moving average for a long time. Let me show you right here what I mean by that. And those are the really your indications here. If you look at this is a 50 period moving average, and look where it's at, 50 period moving average versus the nice where the price action was. So it got super extended here, and now the 21 period moving average got challenged, and now it's breaking the 21 period moving average. So I like this lower. Obviously we break this area around 376, which we already did. We have room to drop to 300 bucks here on the ZM. It's a nice downtrend. It's a nice move lower. This morning, the ZM is gapping to 368.58. So this is area 370. So if it rallies into 370, I like to short this and maybe look for about 340 is a target on ZM. So one of the favorite gaps today is ZM this morning. All right. Next one I have is NPA, and that's like getting climactic here on NPA. The only reason isn't climactic, it's the hourly chart that's just consolidate gaps up, consolidate gaps up, consolidate gaps up, and we don't have volume. But otherwise, this one, if this runs up, I'm gonna look to short this. STPK is the same thing. This runs up, I'm gonna look to short this, but the hourly chart is what's holding me for and this one is not available to short, but this is actually one of the better short today on THBR. I think we have a couple more here on BNTX. Let me see what's on with BNTX. This one is gapping down to 95 bucks. It's kind of the same thing as ZM. A lot of support here. So it's got a gapping right down to support. So gonna have to rally before I can short this on BNTX. So I am going to put BNTX right here since this is not available to short. So BNTX, I'll put it here. And Myrna, NVAX, and Pfizer. You can all put them in on the same chart. They can probably have the same type of a price action on these. So let's take a look at the long watches. I like the BA. I like the BA higher. So I'm going to put this BA. I already have it here, so never mind. So BA, I like it higher, breaking the downtrend. If it takes out 220, I want to play this higher. Got room to about 225 on BA. Tesla, I want to see if I can get into this Tesla. That's the same thing as a ZM. You got a first base, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is a seventh. But what's interesting is every time it consolidates, every time since this run started, every time you have consolidation, it moves up. Consolidation moves up. Big consolidation, big move up. Consolidation, another 100 points move. Consolidation, are we going to see another 100-point move? Now it will come in today because right here it sold off from the hourly chart, and then it rallied and sold off, and today's gapping up. So it'll come in today, but will it set up for a nice long? So that is yet to be seen. That's what we're going to be looking at here on Tesla. FCell is gapping up to 1310. I do like this higher. This thing has a lot of momentum. It get put in a red bar today, yesterday on Thursday, and today is gapping up. I do like this higher FCell. So FCell definitely get the chart space. SQ is gapping up to 2%. This is also this is a bull market. This is as nice of a bull market as it can get in a stock, and today is gapping up just above right here. It's going to be on my watch list as well. GME, another one. This is coming off of a nice base here, nice bottoming base, moved higher. Your first buy was right here around 10 bucks, and you just doubled on this one, GME. So nice. This is a nice buy setup triggering on the hourly chart. I've got this right here on my On my charts, going to be watching this Mara, and they're all going to go. They're all going to go in one spot. So I'm going to put Mara and NXTD. Mara is very bullish, by the way. I mean, look at 1, 2 red bar, and today's gapping over 14. So this is hands down, by definition, is your best gap today, Mara. And then I'll go look at the NXTD, which is also a Bitcoin play. That's also gapping up to 171, which if it takes a 175, you got room to move higher. So that's where I put NXTD. And same thing with the Riot. Riot is the same thing. That is also gapping up to 1549, which is right. 1549 is, might as well just call it a tier 1 gap on Riot. So I do like this Riot. So Riot, Mara, where did I put Mara? Right here. Riot, Mara, and NXTD. I'm just gonna all put them on in one line basically, and they all look higher. All right. BE is gapping up 3.67%, about 46,000 shares traded. Beautiful consolidation on the daily chart here. This one also is starting to look like it wants to move higher. So BE gets the chart here as well. PDD, watch for continuation. It's a beautiful weekly chart on PDD. And this is, look, this is the first base here. This is the second base sold off, and now it's building a third base. So it's got room to probably go another, I don't know how, but it's usually the fourth and fifth base on this bull market when it's starting to get sketchy, things starting to get sketchy. So PDD, this could be your swing trade as well. But this over this topping tail, I'm interested in PDD. BTBT is gapping to just into resistance. I do like this over 7. I do like this over 7. It's got room to maybe 775. This is just start going. Look at this. Stage 1, transitional stage. Now this right here is the trigger of stage 1, because after this, this is the stage 4, stage 1. Then you get a transitional stage before the stage 2. Stage 2, this is not a stage 2, by the way, so that's a big mistake that often traders make. And when I do the mentorship, and it's in my and I'll show you what I mean by that. We go in and we talk a lot about, wait for the change in trend, and we talk about how to time compress and so on and so forth. So we talk a lot about that in our swing trading program, and especially in my mentorship, and we go much more into depth. But this, just that's what trader makes a big mistake, that after stage. This is after stage 1. Stage 2 doesn't come right after stage. It comes transitional stage, and then this is stage 2. So BTBT, it's got room. If it takes out 7, which is right up here, it's got room to maybe 750, $8 here. So I like BTBT. And I'm gonna give it a chart space here. CR. Pass on CR. Mogo is gapping to $4, which is right up here. Definitely get its chart space here on Mogo. It's a tier 3 gap. I mean, it's gapping over the red bar, but look what has happened in the last 3, 4, 5 days. So it'll sell off, and maybe it move higher. And then AZN is it's a bullish gap. Look at what's happening in last 4, 5, 6 days. Today's gapping to 50.29 right up here. 50.29, so $50. Now it's gapping right to resistance. I wish it was gapping up right here. So sell off, or if it comes in, then you can move. So if it would have been, it's really tough to quantify a tier 1 gap when it's still in a bear market. I mean, it could still be a tier one gap, but it needs to be a solid tier one gap. You're gapping over one, two, three red bars, right, but right into resistance. 805,000 shares traded, so that's fine. So this, if it consolidate, it comes in. We can play this higher, but where do we go from here? Because we're right into resistance. This is a gap fill. That's where we're at, and then I think next move will be 51, maybe 52, but it deserves the chart space here. AZN. All right, let me see. What else do you guys have that I didn't have? Uh, and yeah, this is pretty good MSTR from State of Mind. This one is gapping up 12%, gapping over red bar, gapping over the 362 is the high. It's gapping to 360. The problem is the only 26,000 shares traded, so keep an eye on this. And Neo is just the buy setup on the daily chart. That's 1, 2, 3, building the fourth base. So let's see what happens here. All right, couple of IPOs that I've been watching. Snow, not much happening here. Rocket, this is a super bullish base that Rocket is building, and it's bullish until it stays like this. And this reminds me of a little bit of a Twitter, because that's what happened with Twitter, and it took off, and then it bottomed right into this area. So that's what I'm talking. That's your stage 4. This is your stage 1, and Twitter's been in this since 16 and 18, from 20 to $14 range, and finally it hit 45, then got corrected, and now back to 53. So any pullback on Twitter, this could be forming a new bull market here on Twitter. So keep an eye on this one. Um, uh, Fun, keep an eye on Fun. 300,000 shares traded at 122, and then CRSP. Yeah, CRSP is interesting. 72,000 shares traded. This is a daily bull flag, and over 178, or let's just call it a 180. CRSP is really nice. Right here, CRSP, get a chart space right here. I'm going to add CRSP. All right, that's from State of Mind. OCGN, Graham saying that it is in play. And it could very well be in play. 22 million shares traded. Wow. So OCGN gets attention immediately. ETHE, yes, that's, I mean, by definition could be a tier 1 gap, but right into resistance. This thing was gapping up here, I'd be probably buying the 1 minute high. I don't care the size of the gap at this point. But ETHE, ETHE, this is a swing play, ETHE. If we take out this area about 23, 24, wow, this could be a swing play. SM. All right, SM. Yeah, SM is good. SM is not bad. It's a good daily play. I like SM. SM is not bad at all. All right, let's set up our charts. Yeah, Apple is bullish. I talked about the Apple. Apple's already, yeah, Apple's bullish. I've got my swing play on Apple. That's working really well. Gonna let it ride. This target is pretty. And I saw Snap is gapping up a little bit as well, and AMD is gapping up a little bit. So all those daily charts are in play. But hey, Mara, if you want to play Mara, Mara is going right here at 14. Mara is going right here at 14. Mara is super bullish. All right, got 1 minute. I am ready to go. Mara is ready to go over 14. Could be very aggressive right here on Mara. It is that kind of play. Any pullback on Mara is buyable. All right, I'm gonna trade this Mara. It's going to be 14, and let's see where it's set up. And I want cup. I would love to get a 1 minute bar here and not having to play 1 minute high, 1 minute low on Mara. I like this price action. So I am in no hurry. That's beautiful. Mara is setting up. That's 1 minute. It's probably gonna go right here. Okay, I got in Mara right now. 1,000 shares of Mara. I got 1,000 shares in Mara. And I'm also looking AZN also. All right. All right. I quickly scalp Mara. And I'll show you what I did. And I was literally just scalping Mara. I just scalped it for 256 bucks. But over 14, I'm gonna get long again. I was just watching the tape here on Mara. That's all I was doing. So 14 by 1350. That's gonna be. So I just showed you guys how to quickly scalp, and that was it. That was a quick scalp on Mara. That's not bad, right? 2 minutes, 250 bucks. That's not bad. All right, let's see what else is setting up here. I like this Mara. I like it. I like it. Like it higher here. I might get in here at 1385, stop 1350 on Mara. So make it official. I'm also liking the Tesla. The Tesla moved up quite a bit, super fast. Love to see this thing coming up. But check out what's happening with our Qs. Qs are right where we thought it would come, right into that support area. Shoot, FCell is super bullish here. FCell could break out here at 1350. FCell is super bullish. Where did I put? Okay, laser. I was thinking where I put my laser. Okay, Mogo is bullish. Mogo is bullish. Tesla, look at the volume in Tesla right at the open. 680 by 675, Tesla long. If this red bar gets engulfed, this thing is going to take off. But look at what's happening in the market. So market, exactly what we talked about this morning. The market will come in. Market will come in. We talk about market. So market will come in here, and then we maybe look to higher prices. Nothing is setting up. Nothing that I'm liking at the moment. Man, if I wish I had this available to short, I short right here, this FUBU. Baba is a good short again. It's a really good short. Love to see this thing rally. Guys, Mara is going to be in play here. 1383 by, wow, that's a big stop on Mara. And I can't even scalp it anymore because it's not scalpable, if that's the word. But that looks pretty good. But anyways, Tesla is good to go. 680. Yeah, it's 680. Tesla is good to go. 680 by 675. Tesla. 680 by 675. I'm going to actually play this Tesla. Let me put my orders here on Tesla. It is going to be super bullish. I'm going to do this Tesla. Over high of the day. Over high of the day. 679.50 by, I'm going to give it a full stop to 672 on Tesla. And Mara is ready to go. Mara is right here. Let's put an order for Mara. It's going right here. What the hell happening here? It's going right here, Mara. And I'm going to start stacking my orders here on Mara. 1385. First buy is 1385. Why my box is not working? Shit. Can't even get my orders in on my box. Here. It's going 1385 right here. Nope. I look at my orders. I can't get my orders in. Hold on one second. Okay, Mara somehow got triggered as I wasn't even logged on yet, but Mara got triggered. It only took 200 shares of the 600 that I sent out, but I'm going to add more over 14. At 14, I'm adding more on Mara. So get ready for Mara. I'm adding more here on Mara. Mara just triggered, and stop right here on Mara. And if I get opportunity, I would add more. All right, let's see. What else is happening? AZN. All right, this thing is not working for me. I gotta see that thing is not working, so I would have to. All right, let's see. Tesla. Mara looks great, guys. Mara looks great. Don't worry about Mara. Riot is also looking pretty darn good. I might add Riot is also looking pretty darn good. Oh shoot, ACY. It's probably not bad over 7 ACY. And look at what's going on with my order entry. This is It's not working. This is not bad. This can, you can scalp here 7 by 680 ACY. It's going. So I'm out. I'm clearly having some order entry issues here today. Riot is ripping here. Riot is ripping. And Mara's looking fine. Not much to do. Mara just needs to take out the high of the day. Apples look fine. Baba rallied. Baba rallied. I like this ACY over 7. I really do. Market is doing nothing. Market is doing nothing. Let's go, Mara. We need Mara to take out the highs. And I am going to, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this 7. If I can get this the right way. So this is going to be, entry will be 7, stop 650. So share size accordingly. I'm gonna do this. So right over here, orders are in on ACY. ACY orders in, and here comes Tesla too. And I can't get to my orders. 680 is a go here on Tesla. Can I get in? No, it was 679. Yeah, there you go. 680 is the go on Tesla. But I'm all right. So let's see. ACY no entry. Nothing yet. ACY. And I gotta get something on Tesla. I look at this is not bad. It was like a 92,000 shares that were traded at 680, but it's super sloppy now. Super sloppy. Damn, I think we got in a wrong Bitcoin stock. It was Riot is the one that is ripping. Mara's doing nothing. Wow, Apple, nice rally on Apple. All right, let me cancel this ACY. Now this one could get going here, BNGO over dollar. And not sure what's happening with, and here comes the ACY too, guys. Let me get back in ACY. I like this ACY over 7. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, ACY. Come on, break 720 so I can get out. I've got stupid lag here. ACY, guys, ACY. I'm watching BNG. I'm out ACY. Just break even. Literally break even on ACY. I don't give these things. Look at this. I'm out. It might go. It's gonna go without me though. No harm, no foul on ACY. Nothing here on ACY. Come on, Mara. Break already. Damn, that apple was really nice this morning. Apple was really nice. NXTD going too. NXTD going. Too late here, but NXTD is going. All right, I'm gonna exit Mara. I'm exiting Mara here at 14 right here. It's underperforming. Not liking it anymore. So I'm out Mara. Out Mara. But I'm out Mara. Out right here at 14. Underperforming. Don't like it. Uh, how much did I make on Mara today? 300 bucks. But it, you can see if it breaks here. I think it has really can get going here on Mara. But for now, it's underperforming. Tesla getting so sloppy, but over six. Listen, the entry on Tesla is 680, but your stop is right here. $10 stop on Tesla if you want to trade it. It's sloppy for me. I'm going to pass. What I do like is this BABA. Graham called it long on BABA, and it look at it. It's really going. Oh, there you go. It was just Mara was just waiting for me to get out. So congratulations. It was just waiting for me to get out. So congrats. Who's playing Mara? This is good stuff here. This is a good stuff. Yeah, run is not bad. Run is not bad. Run is not bad. Literally, this was waiting for me to get out. Now I had what? This ACY is gonna go over 7. And this BNGO, $1 by 95. $1 by 95. It's interesting. Yeah, Baba's super nice move. So here we go. I'm gonna play this. Orders are in. BNGO, $1. Gotta take out $1 before I get in. I'm watching this. It's too bad it's not working, but it's at 99. So let's see if that gets triggered. Guys, Mara is super nice. If you guys holding Mara, it's a really good morning. I had 800 shares of Mara. 800 shares right around 14.90. It's up 14.30, almost 40 cents. That's another 300 bucks. And here goes BNGO. It's about to go here. BNGO is about to go here. Oh, 5, 6, 700. Boom! BNGO, baby. Come on. What? Oh, that's scandalous. BNGO only triggered me 1,000 shares. It only got my 1,000 shares. All right, we'll see. I might have to add this BNGO. But over dollar, these things can get going over dollar. All right. I like AHT also, but this one can pick up some momentum here. I like it. Things are starting to settle in here. Uh, all right, I literally am gonna play. I'm so tempted to play this Tesla. So let's see if it comes close to 680 again. Could be the top, but let's see if it comes close. Mara looks great. Mara looks great. I think those of you who are holding Mara, Mara looks great. Yeah, I like this ETHE. ETHE is not bad. Got a 500,000 shares traded. Uh, BNGO takes a 1.1, 1.2. I think we'll have a runner on our hand. BNGO. BNGO will have a runner on our hand, but that's gonna take out $2. There goes Mara. Mara looks great. That's your target. That's your at least one first target at 1450 on Mara. Congrats on Mara. Good trade. Really good trade. Really good trade.
Damn it.
There it goes. Liking this BNTX lower at 91. Could start at 91.30. BNTX. This is going to be my biggest regret. This is going to be my biggest regret. BTBT. I just ignored this one. And now it's gone. Nice volume too on BTBT. But Riot was another one. Riot was another one. So two that I missed today. One was Riot, and Riot was as good as it wasn't. It's probably was as good as Mara. I ended up taking Mara. Now I got out a little bit too early, but right here 1550 by 1475. It's a big stop, but look where it's at, $17. And Mara is now starting its move. So I made you guys good money today. And OCGN from Graham back in play here. OCGN, and it's just driving me crazy that my order entry is so bad. OCGN, it's at 245. It could go going at 250. Pick up new momentum here. Damn, that Mara. Who's holding Mara? Who is holding Mara? Damn. Nice trade on Mara. Market's coming in a bit. Obviously, all Bitcoin related stocks are gaining momentum. NXTD is not bad here. Right, even right over here, NXTD is not bad. If it consolidates here, I can probably buy this higher. But I think Mara, look at Mara. Look, I traded Mara quite a bit. And first entry was 1350 on Mara. It's damn, this Apple is super bullish too. I just don't know where the entry is on Apple. Here's fun could get fun here. Right here on fun. 125. Yeah, GIK is super nice too. Right over the red bar. GIK is not bad. Right here. 1545 by 1520. GIK. I am definitely watching this BTBT for consolidation right around 888, and this GIK is also I like. It's going right here, GIK. That's nice consolidation here, GIK. Look at relative strength to the market. It's extreme relative strength. And I am long Tesla at 680 if it gets there. Let me put in my order for Tesla. I mean, we're gonna have to give a full $10 stop on Tesla. $10 stop. I can. All right, my orders are in for Tesla. I'm gonna give 679.75. That's what I want to get in, and I'm gonna put a stop right here. 50 shares, full stop on Tesla. If this takes out 672, obviously I'm gonna cancel my orders. And this my order entry box is all messed up. Yeah, GIK is good. GIK looks really good. GIK looks good. Let's just love to see a little bit of a consolidation here. GME just popped. GME just popped. You guys, I'm up $424. It's half an hour. So, I mean, life it ain't life isn't that bad if despite the despite that I got out Mara too early, life isn't too bad, and I've got orders out for Tesla. You can, if you want to stack it all the way up, you can start like 10 shares here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and then you build up to the 50 share position. You could do that. So the first entry will be maybe 20 shares here, so you can stack one third, uh, all the way up on Tesla. I'm just not that bullish on it as just now because it is 100% like the market. So there's no relative strength in this name. The Bitcoin names coming in. GME. Look at this volume on GME. Look at this volume on GME. It's just the 9 out of 10 times this volume will have a follow through. Now I did not see it, but 9 out of 10 times it'll have follow through. If I had seen it, I'd probably be in it. Uh, well, there you go. Maybe our Tesla triggers. Maybe our Tesla will trigger. But hopefully you're trying to get what I'm trying to say. Hey, you buy here, stop here. You buy here, you stop still here. You buy here, because you really have to understand there is a little bit of trading is an art. The managing your trade is a science, and the both have to. Yeah, Apple is super nice, by the way. The both have to be in sync. Apple is super nice. Yeah, Apple looks really, really nice. Um, Probably 50 cent stop here on Apple. This is relative strength. This is what I call relative strength to the market. And you got room to 138 on Apple. So I've got orders out for Tesla, and I'm gonna put in Tesla. Shoot, give me one. If Tesla gives me one red bar, I'm gonna pick up like 20 shares of Tesla and build it all the way back, all the way up. If I get a one rest bar here, so if I get a one rest bar, that's the plan for Tesla. Otherwise, big stop. And I don't, and quite frankly, let me just cancel this for now, and I'll tell you why. You don't want your stock to trigger with this run up. You want your stock to trigger what we just talked about. You don't want your stock to trigger with the tennis ball reaction. You want your stock to trigger with the natural reaction. For
Hi.
example, Apple has natural reaction.
Lovely company.
Apple has the natural reaction. That is your natural reaction.
Time to get up, bud.
135.55 by 135. So I'm watching this Apple, and I like this Tesla now. I like it. I don't want this green bar to trigger me
Get
into
up.
Tesla. The trade is still live. 679, 679.50. Fine, we can get in a little bit early, but
I'll have you some clothes. We need to come up and get a shower.
679.50 on Tesla is good.
Okay.
But look at the market. Look at the market, and look at your Tesla. So a little bit of a relative strength. Uh, yeah, I can. And I'll actually. You know what?
Time to get
I
up.
I don't know if I
Ding
can.
dong, ding dong.
I don't know if I can mute people here. I really don't. Someone does have a mic on, so let me see.